Multiplying decimal numbers by 1/10, 100s, 1,000s, 1/10,000s, and so on. Okay, so isosolve natin to mentally or kasagutin natin without solving. So titingnan mo lang, magkakaroon ka na ng answer. Okay, so for number 1, 405.9 times 0.1. Kinapakadali lang, try to move this decimal place 1. Then kung ilan yung minove mo, ilang beses ka nag-move, ganun din ang pag-move mo to the left. Okay? So 1, then move decimal point 1. So the answer will be 40.59. Okay? Next, number 2, 849.7 times 0.01. So we have to 1, 2. So move natin 1, 2. So the answer will be 8.497. Okay? For number 3, 386.2 times 1,000. Okay, there are 3 decimal places. 1, 2, 3. Move ka rin 1, 2, 3. So, nandito na yung decimal niya. Since, so 0.3862. Okay, so you need to put 0. Pag ganito yung decimal point natin. So, nandiyan lagi yung 0. Next, number 4, 19.6 times 1 10,000s. Okay. So, there are 1, 2, 3, 4. So, move ka din 1, 2. Since wala na, add 0. 3, add 0, 4. So, the answer will be 0, 0, 1.